Well, hello student. Today we will discuss the structure transfer section of testes. As in the given diagram, certain circular structure are visible to you. Certain circular structures are visible to you, and these structures are known as seminiferous tubules. This is seminiferous tubule. Okay, seminiferous tubule. तो a number of seminiferous tubules are there. एक ये seminiferous tubule one is this one and this one. So a number of seminiferous tubules are present in a testes. ठीक है. Now let's see what other cells are present in these seminiferous tubules. So as it is clear that is it is a circular structure and in which there are certain cells which are present inside these seminiferous tubule, like this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5. All these cells are present within a seminiferous tubule, whereas there is a group of cells which is present outside the testis. Sorry, this is seminiferous tubule. Outside the seminiferous tubule, there is a group of cells. So these are the Leydig cells. The Leydig cells are present outside the seminiferous tubule. Here is the number 5. That is the elongated cell. You are able to see this. These are the elongated cells within the seminiferous tubule. These are known as number 5 Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells is present singly. ठीक है, ये सिंगल है, यहाँ पर सिंगल है, यहाँ पर सब सिंगल हैं. तो सर्टोली सेल्स आर प्रेजेंट सिंगल or Leydig cells are present in a group. So in a board exam, this question has been asked several times. What is the difference between Sertoli cells and Leydig cells? So one of the main difference between these two type of cells is that Sertoli is single and elongated. ठीक है ना, ये elongated cell आपको नजर आ रही हो, कुछ इस तरीके की बनी हुई है, elongated cell है इस तरीके की. ठीक है. And Leydig cells are found small rounded cells. ठीक है, and present in group. Second difference is that Sertoli cell present inside the seminiferous tubule. ये seminiferous tubule है, तो Sertoli cells are present within the seminiferous tubule, whereas the Leydig cells are present outside the seminiferous tubule. It is clear? Okay, so let's see some other cells which are present within the seminiferous tubule. So in this you will able to see there these are the cells. These cells. This is a germinal epithelium. This is the germinal epithelium. ठीक है ना? So from this germinal epithelium, some of the cells pinch out and work as a number one cell, that is the primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. ठीक है. Then there is another cell which is at number 2. This is the secondary spermatocyte. ठीक है, तो ये नंबर 1 पर है प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट, ये नंबर 2 पर है सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट. एंड एट नंबर 3 यू विल आल्सो सी another circular cell, small cell, and this is known as spermatid. ठीक है, spermatid. And number 4 is the sperm, the spermatozoa. Spermatozoa. ठीक है. So if we make a sequence, so first of all there will be primary spermatocyte. From this primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte is formed, and from secondary spermatocyte spermatid is formed, and from spermatid there is a transformation and convert into spermatozoa. ठीक है. Another important question which has been asked in the exam, कि दिस प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट एंड सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट में क्या डिफरेंस है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट एंड सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट। तो प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट हमारा हैप्लॉइड होता है, प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट हैप्लॉइड होता है, ठीक है, जिसको हम एन से लिखते हैं, एन, ठीक है, सॉरी दिस इज डिप्लॉइड नॉट हैप्लॉइड, दिस इज डिप्लॉइड, ठीक है, दिस इज डिप्लॉइड 2n, and from this primary spermatocyte secondary spermatocyte is formed which is haploid, n in number, n, ठीक है। So how this 2n is converted into n means diploid is converted into haploid, ठीक है। तो where is this happens with the help of meiosis, meiosis division होता है which is also known as a reduction division। in this number of chromosome half, इसमें क्या होता है, number of क्रोमोसोम हाफ हो जाते हैं, नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम हाफ हो जाते हैं, दैट्स वाई, ठीक है, दिस इज बिकम हैप्लॉइड फ्रॉम डिप्लॉइड। तो प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट इज डिप्लॉइड एंड सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट इज हैप्लॉइड, ठीक है। और वी कैन से अनदर डिफरेंस के प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट प्रोड्यूस secondary spermatocyte or primary spermatocyte itself is produced from germinal epithelium। ये जो जर्मिनल एपिथेलियम आपको बताया था, इससे ये प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट बनता है नंबर एक पर जो है, एंड फ्रॉम दिस प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट इज प्रोड्यूस by the help of meiosis, and this meiosis is the meiosis first, this is meiosis first, ठीक है। and now what happens, another question is asked, what is the difference between this secondary spermatocyte and spermatid, ठीक है। तो secondary spermatocyte is produced from primary spermatocyte and spermatid is formed from secondary spermatocyte, ठीक है, ये इसमें डिफरेंस है। नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द नंबर 3, जो आपके है नंबर 3, ये कौन से है हमारी स्पर्मेटिड, एंड नंबर 4 दैट इज स्पर्म, ठीक है। तो स्पर्मेटिड जो है वो आपका एक अनडिफरेंशिएटेड स्ट्रक्चर है, लाइक दिस, इसमें यू कांट से कि वेयर इज द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द, वेयर इज स्पर्म इज sperm is a differentiated part, it is clearly differentiated into head, middle piece, and then tail। तो sperm is differentiated structure whereas spermatid is undifferentiated structure। second you can say the spermatid is non motile, ये non motile होता है, और sperm is motile, so it is also another difference between the spermatid and sperm, okay। So this sperm which is at number 4, after the formation of this sperm it is embedded with this cell which is Sertoli cell and gets nutrition। So the cell number 5 which is Sertoli cell is also known as nurse cell। तो this question has been asked कि why this number 5 Sertoli cell is known as nurse cell, then you will say because the uh, it provide the nutrition to the developing spermatozoa, that's why it is also known as nurse cell, ठीक है। Okay, so this is the transfer section of testes in which a number of seminiferous tubules you will observing here, these are the seminiferous tubules, and there is a number of cells which are present inside the seminiferous tubule, and some cells are present outside the seminiferous tubule, and this diagram is very important for the spotting in practical exam also, ठीक है। आपका बोर्ड का जो प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम होता है, बोर्ड प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम में यू आर गिवन सम स्पॉट, ठीक है, तो स्पॉटिंग में ये रखा जाता है, देन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द सेम डायग्राम, ठीक है, विद द लेबलिंग। आई हैव जस्ट मेड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड हैव explained you okay, what are these, but in your spotting you will directly write all these things. I hope you will be able to understand clearly the different part, different type of cells present inside the testes. Okay, thank you.